Smooth ride. Preparing your vehicle for the daily commute. Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on mastering conversational English. Today, we'll delve into a very important aspect of our daily routines, preparing a vehicle for the commute to work or school. We'll cover fueling up and basic vehicle maintenance. So buckle up and let's get started. Filling up the gas tank is a common task that many people do as part of their routine. We usually say, "I need to fill up my car," or "I need to get gas." It's also common to ask others, "Do you know where the nearest gas station is?" Here's a dialogue example. Person A: "I need to fill up my car before we hit the road." Person B: "Sure, there's a gas station just around the corner." Before a long commute, it's important to check your vehicle to ensure a safe trip. Here are some phrases related to this. I need to check the oil. I'm going to check the tire pressure. Let's check the brakes before we go. Here's a dialogue example. Person A: "Have you checked the oil recently?" Person B: "Not yet. I'll do it before we leave." Regular maintenance is crucial for a vehicle's performance and safety. Here are some sentences you might use. I'm taking my car in for a routine service. My car needs a tune-up. I need to replace the windshield wipers. Here's a dialogue example. Person A: "Why are you going to the garage?" Person B: "My car needs a tune-up. It's been acting strange lately." Well, that's it for today's lesson. We've learned how to talk about fueling up, checking your vehicle, and doing basic maintenance. These are all important parts of preparing a vehicle for a commute. Keep practicing these phrases and soon they'll become a natural part of your English conversation. Thanks for watching and happy commuting. Remember, practice makes perfect.